Hi guys and welcome to today's video, which is top 5 lipsticks for Indian festive season. So let's get inside. So the first lipstick I have is from Bronson Professional. Their lipsticks are so underrated because all of their lip shades are so good, so creamy, buttery, and they glide on your lips smoothly. Like, trust me, I have so many cracks on my lips, but none of them are visible with these lipsticks. I already have a video on all the Bronson Professional lipsticks, so check it out. So this is shade 2. This is a beautiful orange shade for Indian skin tone. I love it. Very pretty, looks so good, gives that orange peachy flush look. I absolutely love this one. The color is extremely good, comfortable on your lips, does not dry out your lips, and since it is so small, it is easy to carry around. So that was the first lipstick. Next I have this one from Maybelline. This is very recent and the shade is 510 Charmer, and it actually is a charmer. This is a beautiful nude shade but a little bit darker. By the way, if you guys love nude lipstick swatches, then you can also check that out on my channel. So this gives a very beautiful nude brownish color, very comfortable on your lips. Of course, it is Maybelline and it looks so pretty. This shade will look extremely beautiful on Indian skin tone, and it's so comfortable on your lips and it's so pretty. I love Maybelline lipsticks, and all of the lipsticks which I'm showing are easily removed by makeup remover and cleansing balm. So that was about this lipstick. Next I have this lipstick from Swiss Beauty. This is their soft matte lip cream. I love Swiss Beauty nude lipsticks. All of the lipsticks are so comfortable on your lips. Now this might be a little bit controversial because this is a too nude, but I have a vision for this. If you are doing Indian makeup, heavy smoky eyes, and then you apply this nude lipstick, I think it's going to look gorgeous. Try it for your festive outfits. Do something different if you're not into bold looks and bold lip color, and I think it will look beautiful on all Indian skin tones. Next I have this beautiful bold shade from L'Oreal Professional. It is the shade number 245. French kiss. Looks beautiful. It looks bright red, but it also have a slight orange undertone to it, which I think will look gorgeous on any Indian skin tone. Now if you're not into heavy makeup or doing a lot of makeup, then you can just go for statement lipsticks like this, and it will immediately add color to your face and you do not need to do anything else. You guys can see it's very beautiful, very comfortable on your lips. No lip creases or no lip cracks are visible when I apply this. Also, this is oil proof, waterproof, smudge proof, and stays on for such a long period of time. I absolutely love this lipstick. Beautiful statement bold color lipstick if you are into bold colors. And yeah, also it's very comfortable on your lips. It is not drying like those other matte lipsticks. And finally, I am going to end it with the OG Blue Heaven lipstick. The shade is 302 and this is non-transfer matte lip color, but I do find it to be a little bit of a glossy, and usually most of the pink purplish shades I believe wash off on Indian skin tone, but this does not do it. Rather, it looks very rosy kind of a pink color, which I absolutely love. It's neither very dark, neither very light, and I think it will complement most of the Indian skin tones. It's beautiful, it's perfect, very comfortable, and very affordable because of course it's from Blue Heaven. Once again, it's easily removed by micellar water, and I absolutely love this lipstick. It does leave a little bit of tint behind, at least on my lips, but I cannot complain because I love a good tint. You guys can check out my best lip oils and lip tints. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down what you would like to see next and I would definitely make it. Also comment down which one was your favorite lipstick. As I told you guys, I already have a lot of other lipstick swatches, bold lipsticks, nude lipsticks, lip stains, and lip oils. I have it all in my them in the description box down below and somewhere up here. So that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.